Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare ClickUp versus Notion versus Trello. We'll dive deep into their core functionalities, user interfaces, and ideal use cases to help you decide which project management tool best fits your needs. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of each platform's strengths and weaknesses, empowering you to make an informed choice for your team or personal projects. Let's get started by looking at their unique offerings. When it comes to features, ClickUp stands out with its extensive customization, offering over 1,000 integrations and a multitude of views like Gantt charts and mind maps. Notion, on the other hand, provides unparalleled flexibility, allowing you to build almost anything from scratch, from personal wikis to complex databases. Trello keeps it simple and effective with its iconic Kanban boards, making task tracking incredibly visual and easy to grasp for quick project oversight. So, who is each tool for? ClickUp is often the go-to for larger organizations and teams managing highly complex projects, thanks to its robust feature set and granular control. Notion shines for individuals, startups, and teams that prioritize a flexible, all-in-one workspace for documentation, knowledge bases, and project tracking. Trello, with its simplicity, is perfect for small teams, personal task management, or projects that benefit from a clear, visual, card-based approach to workflow. Regarding pricing, all three platforms offer generous free tiers, allowing you to get started without any initial investment. Paid plans generally begin at around $5 to $10 per user per month, with costs increasing for advanced features and larger teams. Ultimately, the best tool for you hinges on your team's size, the complexity of your projects, and your preferred workflow. Consider trying their free versions to see which one truly resonates with your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.